Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is lentils, and we'll be making lentil pasta with brown lentils, peas and tomato, and red lentil dal with lentil crackers. Dr. Tecile Andolino from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett are joining us today. Hi. These recipes sound great. Where should we start?
Lentils come in very many different colors. We have brown lentils here. These are in their raw form. We also have them cooked for the children's pasta. Thought it was fun to accompany it with a pasta made from lentil flour. These are red lentil macaronis. The other dish we're going to do for a little more spice is a red lentil dal. And you can make this vegan too. We start off with coconut butter and put your aromatics in early, okay?
Lentils are very high in fiber, and what else?
So iron, which is a great source for, and also folate for expecting moms. So, you know, we were always talking about getting your folate in, making sure that we're not worried about having spinal defects for baby. So we love the fact that folate is in lentils. Besides that, it's a source of protein too. But this is a great source of having protein in the diet without necessarily being a meat eater per se.
Right. So this is a great option for vegetarians.
Absolutely.
So all I did was I sauteed some onions, I had some hot peppers, I had some ginger, I had a little bit of the cilantro stem. I find that the red lentils or the yellow lentils cook a lot faster than the brown lentils do.
So how are you cooking these lentils? I'm always been very curious.
Yeah, I'm coating them with my initial ingredients, really almost what you would call a pilaf style. You're coating it in the initial ingredients. At this step, we're going to add our spices. We have a spice mixture of garam masala. We're going to use coconut milk.
Lentils are low fat.
So yeah, so low fat. Great protein source, iron for development for blood and red blood cell development, and as well as energy. And then outside of that, calcium and phosphorus, which is great for bone development. So all around, it packs a healthy punch.
For lentils, I find that it's not really 2 to 1. So if you're cooking 1 cup of lentils, maybe 1.5 to 1 3/4 a cup.
And but really, if you just giving this to your kids, at what age?
About 8 months. And going on, because you want them to have, it has a little bit of texture to it, and you want to make sure, that, of course, that they are able to have that, maybe have a little bit of chewing motion going on with it, unless you're cooking it down all the way.
And it's really good for digestive system.
Because of all the fiber, it works really well. Sometimes it can make them a little gassy for some families, but I usually tell parents to play that one by ear.
Lentils and pasta are a great combination. I just did butter. I did a little bit of diced tomato. I put some green peas. I already have some cooked lentils, the cooked brown lentils. Okay. All I did was I cooked these just like pasta, really. I just boiled them in water and strained them. That's it.
Okay. And how long do these lentils typically tend to cook for?
On the package it says 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to finish with your pasta, put a little bit of broth or veg stock.
Are you sure this is the kids' one? We can't steal that for ourselves.
You can easily eat this with your child.
But why not make a big pot of it and then serve it for everybody with a side salad?
We'll put a little bit of cheese in to toss together just to kind of make it a little bit rich. You can cover this and just cook it slowly, okay? And you end up with kind of like a really nice kind of cooked down puree. Now for serving this, there's a lot of different things you can do with it. We're going to put some more of the minced onions. I have some lentil crackers. I'm going to put a little more Parmesan on top.
Oh, that looks wonderful.
I'm excited for this one.
Me too.
I lost one to the cause.
The texture of the lentils in the pasta is excellent, and the flavor is so good.
Take a cracker and dig in.
I like the cheese too.
Great.
Amazing.
Delicious.
So good.
So good.
Delicious. Thank
Healthy
you
and
so much
delicious.
for these
That's what we
wonderful
want,
ideas.